call, just text. Bitches love can't get on my speed. They stare cause they know I'm the ITGIRL.
Hey my naughty babe, so we finally reached. Guess where we at? Guess where we at? Orlando. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little house tour. So currently, why it look like that? Hold on y'all. I had to see like my camera was stuck. So this is the first one. I guess this is like a Harry Potter theme room. So my stuff over there. You know a baddie got a pack for all of that, yeah. Okay. So yeah, very cutesy. And it's just so pretty.
Hey! Hi!
Audrey, this is the birthday girl.
Yeah, this is my bin. No,
How old are you?
No, this is our queen.
Period. Okay, so when was your birthday?
Right next
Wednesday.
yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
6.
Where we going tomorrow?
To Disneyland for my princess.
No, we going to Disney World Saturday. Tomorrow we going. Got a little closet. Then is this very cutesy. I feel like I've been here before. Her room very nice, very demure. Okay, so next we have. I actually went to school today, guys. I love this. This is so me. When I get a house, I'm so extra. Just like it. And I have this room, bathroom, but let's see. This is one of the rooms. It's like Avatar themed. It's so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. If I have a child, I'm doing it from like this because it's Avatar theme. So like that's so cute. Like, oh my gosh. The backyard. So you got the the seating area right there. You have a little table. Then I guess this is like if you want a barbecue, whatever. They got that. They got some lounge chairs, some folded chairs. Nice little community. And then you got the pool. It should be like cool right now. And then you got the jacuzzi. The jacuzzi. I haven't been in one in a minute, to be honest. But yeah, this is the backyard. Really cool. I love Orlando homes, Orlando B&Bs, anything. It's so cute. I would want my house to be like this, but yeah, this is the backyard. Very cute. Okay, y'all. So now we're TikTok live.
I started laughing so hard.
So you farted? Very dead. Yeah. Wait, I need you to take a picture.
I'm Jordan.
Say hi.
Hi.
You excited, girl? Animal Kingdom. So this is my auntie. Hi. Oh.
Why are you so dry? Because that came out of nowhere. Hi guys, I am the auntie that is the cool, you know, I'm the cool one, and the others, they hate that. And I'm not done. Yeah, so I'm like fun too, and you know, stuff like that. Y'all, do y'all think we look alike?
They just be saying stuff.
Somebody
They be telling me I look like Julie, and I know I don't. I look like you though. I look like my daddy.
That's okay. It's okay. Y'all wanna look like me?
I'm just saying. They be like, oh, you look like Julie, your auntie Julie.
She wanna look like you so bad. So now we're in the park. So y'all, I thought I was recording, but this is so pretty. Hold on, let me I need to take a picture because this is definitely aesthetic. Okay, now it's starting to get a little hot.
I'm ready to eat, but
So I'm ready to sit. I'm ready to feel some breeze in my face also, bro. My baby birthday. And honestly, I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
Where are you from? Jamaica, what part? What part?
we from Miami.
from Haiti.
I'm from Haiti.
We from
Haiti, what part?
Port-au-Prince.
Port-au-Prince?
Capiche.
Huh?
Capiche.
I'm from Gonaïves.
God. And then you from Africa too?
Gonaïves. Ça va? Ça va? Ça passe?
You from a country in Africa?
Congo.
Congo?
Congo, yeah. I'm from America.
What the heck?
Can you do it? No. If you give it, I give you 100 right now.
Wait.
Come on. You look at me. My 100, you want to take it out or put it, leave it on the floor?
Take it out. Wait, do it again?
No.
How you do it though?
Then you get it, come on, one more time. Hey! Come on, one more time, come on.
They're not going on. Man, somebody gotta go, bro. I go. 5, 6, You good? Or you want to sit up here? He got space.
They didn't look.
0.5 million wildebeest at one time. We're also pretty lucky because coming up here on the right, we're looking for the parking lot. Actually, looks like the parking lot behind her. And the Jonesy's are incredibly smart. They do memorize their book strikes to tell her apart. Tiny homes, and they have a little bit of a rain that kind of does look. Yes, I'm being big, bro.
They didn't look like me.
Little. Why is he eating a bread? Yes, I can.
What's it? Baby flamingos. They're not.
What is that?
This is Miss Todd. She's gonna take it. Just follow her lead, everybody. This is Happy Children. Good children, hello, good children. How are you doing today? How are you doing? There we go. Oh, just children, happy little children. How are you doing? Happy yay! Oh, yes. How are you doing today? Hello, happy children. Everybody, let's see you. That's right. We see a lot of birthdays today. The more reason to do it. Hey!
She would care. I don't think she would care.
What's wrong with y'all? I thought you could tap the number. Stand on the number. Stand on your number.
Great.
Be quiet, Julie.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an eagle. Stand still over your number. You're not going to feel a thing. Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Navi. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA.
For your safety, throughout this entire experience, always remain seated.
So currently my cousin's on TikTok live.
My lashes coming out.
Fit check.
Fit check. So, shirt on Ziri. Jeans on Zara. Shoes on Amiri. Sweater. Bracelets on Pandora and Jamaica. Anklet on Jamaica. Yeah. This on Walmart. Wig from Subi. Okay, we about to get off, y'all. Like, for real this time. I got this in Jamaica.
It's surprisingly hot outside. So.
I'm 5'1", y'all. I'm really 5 foot, but I strive to be 5'1", so I'm 5'1".
Wait, I need to save this because I can't. Hey, what you wearing?
I'm wearing a Mickey Mouse shirt,
Period.
heart pants,
Yes.
silver belt, silver shoes, going to Disney, and
jacket.
we're gonna have a lot of fun. It's gonna be a long ride.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. Oh, no.
How old are you? How How old are you?
5,
Okay. What grade are you in?
68.
Sausage.
Yeah, but what kind?
In the morning. Put it down.
Oh,
It's raining.
you eat it with milk.
Black, white, black.
It's black. It has cream in the middle.
Down.
I know my food.
To make your breath smell good. Chocolate chip.
Peppermint.
What kind? The end.
The end. Chocolate chip. The end of it. The end of it. That's the end.
Pepper.
She got it. She said it. What she love cooking.
That you
The
like.
best.
Oh, cornbread.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
I said with Nadia and my mom.
Get a donut, bruh. My little cousin got a good donut, and that's so much they left me. A big bag. This is how much they left me.
Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on... These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser.
Both hands. Both.
Where?
Right there in the middle or all the way to the top? All the way?
I'm getting in the meat.
Nah, Nani in Disney World. Y'all know I love princesses. I am a princess actually. So yeah, just to be here is just wonderful. But yeah, I got stung by a bee and it hurt. Yeah, by a bee. Right here.
Everybody open your mouth.
It burned on the inside.
It don't hurt worse than a wasp. I got stung by a wasp and I was crying. I was crying.
She said put your spit, but nah.
You supposed to use your feet. Why is not big
What the heck? You're not even talking. You just I'm tired. Ooh. What was that? Oh, it's right there. What was that? That was probably my. And I know I'm looking crazy right now, but we finally made it home. It is currently 11:10, and it's time. We leave tomorrow at like 12, and I'm super tired, like super tired. And yeah, I hope you guys, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. And so basically this was me, days with Nani and her family, spending time with fam. And we went to two parks, Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom. Today and yesterday we went to Animal Kingdom. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and tell me what I should do more. And tell me if y'all want to see more videos with the family. And give me some more video suggestions to do. Or like, I'm going to try to switch it up and give y'all some new different type of content too. So, but yeah guys, bye y'all. I love y'all. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye. Ready, set, go! Bro, no! You cheater. Set. Ready, set, go! And she still beat you and you try to cheat. And she still beat you and you try to cheat. Look at cheat.